Dear viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show how to create new activity in Android app project. Here is our project, Hello World project. Under the package Hello World app, click the Hello World app and click the right button and click the new, and you will see the activity, and we can choose the activity type: basic activity, empty activity. We can get the empty activity. Now we will set the activity name as like new activity. When we will create the new activity, at the time generate the layout activity is new and click the finish button. Now creating the new activity. So our new activity created done. Also it set the automatically in manifest file is new activity. We can create activity manually, as like we can copy the activity and we can paste the activity here, and then we can set the new activity name as like new to activity. So click the OK button, and then it will be now created new to activity. So now you can set the new activity layout. Here is the layout. We can go for the new activity, new layout, and paste, and 2 activity. We can set the layout name 2, and then we can define the new activity is 2. Thank you.